Store cucumbers like this. It won't break if you leave it for a year. It tastes as good as fresh. Crispy and refreshing. Method is awesome. Hello, everybody, and this is the Baby and Kitchenette. Today, I would like to share with you the skills of preserving cucumbers. Preserve cucumbers this way today. It won't break after storage for a whole year, and the color is emerald green and not black. Tastes crisp and refreshing. It tastes as good as fresh. This method is in our village. The grandmother has used the method for decades. Come and learn together. The cucumbers are fresh these 2 days. The price is cheap. Because this season, cucumbers are a secret vegetable. So this season's cucumbers are not only crispy, sweet, and delicious. Higher nutritional value. The price is also very cheap. So this time of year, I would buy lots and lots of cucumbers. Save it. Eat it in winter. Still full of summer flavors. Want cucumbers to keep for a long time. Picking cucumbers is also skillful. Be sure to choose cucumbers with uniform size and length. Such a cucumber is naturally ripe. Cucumber without hormones. It also tastes healthier. So, if the cucumber is found to be rotten, deterioration, it is not recommended that you save it. It will affect the shelf life of other cucumbers. Ready cucumber. Put it in the basin. Then add an appropriate amount of water into it. Wash the cucumber. Sprinkle a little salt when washing the cucumber. There is rice washing water at home. Add a little rice washing water. You can wash the cucumber cleaner. The process of cucumber growth. It is also particularly susceptible to pests. So many cucumbers are sprayed with pesticides. Therefore, direct cleaning is not clean. Plus, the surface of the cucumber is potholed, particularly prone to staining nanoscale. So add a little experiment to clean. Take advantage of the friction of the experiment. You can also remove these dirty things from the potholes. Dirt and dust, clean it thoroughly. Let's save the cucumber. Don't remove the cucumber skin. After washing, the water is very dirty. Lots and lots of little white dots. Unidentified object. Dirty water dumped. I rinsed it with water 3 or 4 more times here. Wash it and put it on the cutting board. Then cut off the top of the cucumber. Don't eat rough on the top. Slightly bitter. Not recommended for storage. And you just slice it up like this. Don't cut the cucumber too thinly when cutting. Cut to thin in the process of later saving. Likely to become soft and rot. Not good for preservation. The taste is not good either. So it can't be too thick, but not too thin. Its thickness is about 1 thickness of 3 coins branded together. Just right. Cut it to your liking. Can be cut into strips. You can cut them like this. It depends on the shape of the cucumber you usually like to eat. Many friends in life. I usually buy too many cucumbers at one time. If you can't eat it, you will choose directly. Put it in the refrigerator and keep it. We will find. Put the cucumber stored directly in the refrigerator. Not only does it soften easily, water will come out in 2 or 3 days, even decay. It doesn't taste good either. This is because you saved it the wrong way. Seemingly simple to preserve cucumbers, it's also skillful. Cut all the cucumbers and put them in a large basin. The basin should be prepared a little bigger. Otherwise, I can't let it go. After it's all in, then prepare the sugar in the monk's house. Add 3 small white sugars to 1 caddy of cucumber. That's the equivalent of a caddy of cucumbers. Let's use 5 grams of sugar. The more cucumbers. You can add white sugar according to this ratio. Then add an appropriate amount of salt. Salt is slightly less than sugar. Caddy of cucumber. Let's add 3 grams of table salt. Then let's grab it and mix it evenly with our hands. Let the surface of each piece of cucumber wrap evenly with a little salt and sugar. Salt is mainly used for dehydration and anti-corrosion. It can keep our cucumbers longer. And sugar can neutralize the bitterness and spiciness in cucumbers. Reduce the dead salty and bitter taste of pure salt pickling. The taste will be crispier and sweeter. The taste will be softer and more delicious. But at the same time, you can't directly add white sugar to marinate, because if it is directly marinated with white sugar, its anti-corrosion effect is not so good. And if you don't add sugar, pickled cucumbers tend to wilt and become soft. The taste is not crisp. So add a little sugar to marinate the cucumber. It locks in its crispy taste. So we marinated the cucumbers with experiments and sugar. On the one hand, a state of dehydration can be achieved. Extend the shelf life of cucumbers. On the other hand, you can lock in its crisp taste. Tastes sweeter. Mix well like this. Then set it aside to marinate for half an hour. Pickle out all the excess water in the cucumber. It's time to marinate. Let's take a look now. Look, there's a lot of water marinating in there. Like this, it's fine. Most of the water in cucumbers, it's been cured. Then add an appropriate amount of water into it. Wash off excess sugar and salt from the surface. Otherwise, the taste will be better. Just wash it once, because the cucumber has been completely washed before. After being completely washed like this, fishing it out. Squeeze the water inside without leaving a drop. Squeezing it completely is better for cucumber preservation. The taste will also be better. After squeezing out the water, put it in another clean basin. Now let's prepare food bags at home. Or a sealed bag is okay. Then put the cucumber into the food bag. We pack as much as we eat at each meal. So in the process of later preservation, it will not appear when picking up cucumbers. Affects the shelf life of other cucumbers. After it is installed, drain the excess air inside. Keep the cucumber in a relatively sealed position, the state of a vacuum. Then close. Then tie a dead knot. Like this, it's completely packed. After it's all packed, let's put it in the refrigerator and freeze it. Cucumbers frozen in this way. Cucumbers preserved in this way. Let it go for more than half a year. It doesn't even go bad for a year. There will be no freezing and frost, because most of the water in us, it's been marinated through. It's not just cucumbers that are preserved this way in my family. We also preserved millet peppers and other seasonal vegetables. It's especially easy to use. There is no need to thaw it in advance every time you eat it. Take it out cold or fry it and eat it. They're as good as fresh. So what happens next? With our preserved cucumbers, let me share with you a particularly delicious recipe. Prepared ingredients, except for the cucumbers we usually save, and garlic, ginger, and an appropriate amount of pork belly. If you don't like pork belly, you can prepare a few eggs. Heat the pan. Pour in the right amount of vegetable oil. Then pour the pork belly slices in. Stir fry to remove the excess oil inside. Stir fry until the surface is slightly yellow. Add a spoonful of bean paste, a teaspoon of sugar, moderate amount of dark soy sauce. Color it in. Pour in the minced garlic and ginger. Turn on high heat and stir fry evenly. Stir fry to color. Sautéed. Then add the cucumber and stir fry evenly. Don't fry for too long, otherwise the cucumber will be soft. Season with an appropriate amount of salt, appropriate MSG, a little light soy sauce, a few drops of aged vinegar. Stir fry evenly over high heat. Delicious! Fried cucumber is that simple. Keep the whole fire on fire when frying. Want it to be more crisp and refreshing? Then don't fry for too long. Look at the cucumber fried this way. Special emerald green. And the taste is crisp. The meat slices are also very tasty. Stir fry over high heat for about 30 seconds. Our cucumber fried meat slices are ready. Look at the color of cucumber fried meat made this way. The color is also super nice. Very good meal. And it's super tasty. It's super good for wine and dinner. Friends who like it can collect it and have a try. How about today? Mainly shared with you a little trick we use to preserve cucumbers. Cucumbers preserved in this way. It won't break for a whole year. There's also a method of our cucumber fried pork belly. Super simple. And it's super delicious. Friends who like it can like it and forward it. Share with friends around you. Can help more people If you like it, hurry up and collect it and try it. So this is the kitchenette. Click on my avatar. You can watch more exciting videos. Our videos continue to be updated for you every day. So that's it for today's video share. Bye bye in the next video.